Have you ever wanted to smash things for a job? Welcome to Demolition Life. Working at a demolition site means wearing cool helmets and smashing stuff every single day. Imagine turning buildings into Legos. But it's not all fun and games. Safety first, folks. And here's a fun fact. Did you know the tallest building ever demolished was 47 stories high? Now here's a trivia for you. What do you call a person who loves to demolish stuff? A recreationist. Stay safe and keep smashing dreams.